Did you know that over 700 programming languages have been created in just the last decade? Crazy, right? It's like every day, there's new language popping up, and it's all part of the wild evolution of programming. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the evolution of programming. We're gonna look at how programming has changed from the early days with super clunky tools to the slick and powerful environments we're using today. So, let's buckle up and take this journey together. Alright, let's talk about the challenges programmers faced back in the day. Picture this. It's the 1960s, and you're trying to write a program. Your options are pretty limited. You've got languages like COBOL or Fortran. And trust me, they were not user-friendly. Resources were scarce. And forget about Google or Stack Overflow. You had to rely on books and your own trial and error. Debugging. Oh boy, that was a nightmare. You'd spend hours just trying to figure out where things went wrong, often with just a punch card in hand. Fast forward to today, and wow, things have changed. Let's break it down. First off, the programming languages. We've got Python, JavaScript, C#, and so many more, each designed to be more intuitive and powerful. The tools, oh man, we've moved from text editors to fully integrated development environments, or IDS, that offer everything from autocomplete to built-in debuggers. And let's not forget about version control systems, that make collaboration a breeze. The rise of frameworks and libraries has also sped up development times dramatically. For example, back in the day, creating a web app from scratch was a monumental task. Nowadays, with frameworks like React or Angular, developers can whip up stunning applications in no time. Now, let's highlight a key moment in this evolution: the introduction of agile methodologies. Remember when coding was this rigid, waterfall process? If you messed up a step, you could throw the whole project off track. Agile changed the game by promoting iterative development and constant feedback. Suddenly, teams could adapt quickly to changes, and the focus shifted to collaboration and customer satisfaction. It's all about flexibility and responsiveness now, and it has reshaped the entire industry. We went from lone coders in dark rooms to vibrant teams collaborating across the globe. So, to wrap things up, we've seen how the journey of programming has been nothing short of revolutionary. From the clunky tools and limited resources of the past to the powerful, user-friendly environments we have today. The world of programming is always evolving, and as programmers, we need to evolve with it. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite programming language or tool? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you loved this video, make sure to check out our next one on modern programming trends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.